What's up everybody, I'm Jessie and I'm here in the Harley-Davidson garage. Today I'm going to show you the Sundowner Heated Seat for your touring motorcycle. If you've been looking for a way to extend your riding season as the weather cools down, then this seat is the perfect addition to your motorcycle. The deep bucket design provides the maximum in long riding comfort by putting your body in the proper touring position, and the generous padding makes it comfortable for both the rider and passenger as the miles roll by. It features dual zone control, which means the heated rider and passenger seating areas can be independently controlled, and the redesigned heating element reaches the selected temperature in only 7 minutes. The seam-sealed construction prevents rain or wash water from infiltrating the seat foam, so even in wet weather you'll be riding in comfort. The disc shape of the rider's seating area provides back support, and the wide passenger pillion is shaped to minimize pressure points. Its smooth cover with contrasting bronze stitching and the Harley-Davidson emblem complements any touring model, so you can increase your comfort and warmth while maintaining the Harley-Davidson look that we all love. Check the website to make sure this seat is compatible with your model Harley-Davidson. For this and any other genuine Harley-Davidson products, visit harleydavidson.com or any authorized Harley-Davidson dealer. That's it from me, your favorite Australian. I'll see you again next time.